Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. This is going to be a quick update for the BTC and Ethereum price actions. I hope that you're having a wonderful weekend and you will enjoy and learn from this video. As usual, I will provide a key educational content with clear levels, which will help you to take your own trades. And as usual, before we start, hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now without wasting a time, let's start. Starting from the weekly time frame, BTC under the weekly time frame, it seems quite healthy. However, I want to draw your attention to this RSI. As I said, when the price action broke a few weeks ago, level 70, and as expected, we went further up, and I said we might retest again. However, this time it might be a crucial one, and still we have some room to test the level 70, and we may still go up. And it doesn't matter how far we're going to go out, we're still having a lower highs, which is concerning for the midterm, and that's going to create a potential bear divergence. Lower time frames looks quite healthy, and still we can see our target level of $70,000. Even though we're going to see the $70,000, price kept printing a higher highs, and the RSI will print a lower highs. Bear in your mind this bear divergence. However, as I said, this will take some time to play out. Moving on to a daily time frame. Under a daily time frame, we have a similar scenario. There's higher highs, and on the RSI you can see a lower highs. Since we reached to new all-time high around 62,000, and we stuck within this range in the last few days. As I said, that there is no enough momentum in the market. So as a result, we are seeing the price action stuck between the support and resistance lines. We can see clearly under a lower time frames. Moving on to a 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, if we look into a volume, there is not much things going on with the volume. However, as soon as we broke this level, after we reached all-time high 58,100, we came all the way down to the support level 2. From the 17th of March, in the last 4 days or so, we got stuck literally between the resistance and support number 1. As you can see, we got stuck in here. Only today morning that we managed to break, and then you can see week to week rejection from the lower level of the support 1. And at the moment, price got stuck within support 1 around 57,800, 55,800 level. If we cannot manage to break the upper line of this support level, then we will be heading a consolidation under a 4-hour time frame. First level, again, retesting of this lower line. If we cannot hold, the next level is going to be upper level of this support 2, which is going to be a $54,000. And as you can see, exactly as I mentioned in the beginning of this week, it's not going to be easy for us to break this resistance level, which is 60,300, 58,100. First rejection, second rejection, and third rejection. Number of 4-hour candles got rejected right from this resistance line. When there is no momentum, you will see the price action will start within the resistance and support levels. Before we move on, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense mentorship is available. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame, you can see clearly. Few days we got stuck between support 1 and 2, and then next one, the green candle came, and then next price action got stuck within the resistance and support line. So if we look into a 2-hour time frame, at the moment we are under a consolidation. As I said, if we cannot manage to break this 58,000 level, highly likely we will be going towards to retest the lower line of this support, which is $56,000. 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame as well is in consolidation. So the bullish scenario, if we're going to manage to break the 57,800, and we will see how the price action will react for this resistance. If we're going to manage to break this resistance and there won't be any issue, we will be going to our target zone, which is around $68,000 to $70,000. However, if we're going to fail to break $58,000, or we might get another rejection from this resistance line, then we will see a sharp decline in the market. Highly likely we will see the price action will come and retest again $54,000. Also, as you remember, we've been following this parallel channel, and you can see it. Beginning of this week, I mentioned about median line of this parallel channel, and I said that's going to be a strong resistance line for us. And as you can see it, number of candles, day after day, we got rejection right from the median line. Last one, we tested 20th of March, and we couldn't manage, and we saw minor dump in the market. Same level still will be applicable, and that matches, as you see, with our horizontal resistance line. Moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum under a daily time frame is quite healthy and bullish. We've got a resistance above us, also number of support levels below us. We can see these levels clearly under a lower time frame. So moving on to 4-hour time frame. So under a 4-hour time frame, we've got support 1. Used to be support 1, at the moment acting as a resistance, which is $1,830 and $1,800. And we've got a resistance, very important level of resistance. It hasn't been changed yet. 1930, 1960. As you can see, week to week rejection, twice it rejected, and all the way we saw a decline in the market. And in the Ethereum price action, we can see clearly, after we managed with this 4-hour candle, we went all the way towards the south, and price action literally got stuck. And within this Ethereum, you can see clearly that we are in the consolidation, and that means, as I mentioned, there is not enough momentum in the market. So 4-hour time frame facing with a support 1, which used to be support, as I said, at the moment acting as a resistance. If we cannot manage to break this support 1, then 4-hour time frame will enter into a consolidation. 2-hour time frame. As soon as we lost 1830 within this candle, 2-hour time frame went into a bear zone. So at the moment, 2-hour time frame is in bear's control. So facing with the resistance, if we cannot manage, highly likely we're going to get rejection either from the lower line or upper line of this resistance line. And if the BTC dumps, we will see a further dump in the market where we will be facing upper line of this support level 2, which is 1690 and 1700. If we manage to break this support number 1, we will be going towards the resistance. And as I kept mentioning, that this time, as long as 2-hour time frame will recover itself, this resistance of 1930, 1960 shouldn't be a problem, and we will be going towards our target zone of 2200 and 2500 levels. 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame. In the 15th of March, as soon as we lost 1800, we entered into a bear territory. Number of times, as you can see, testing this support number 1, acted as a resistance, again fake out, and we saw a sharp decline in the market. Similar scenario. There was no momentum in the market. We got stuck literally inside this support number 1, second fake out, and then we saw a further dump in the market. Same scenario will apply as a 2-hour time frame. If we manage to break support number 1, we will be good to go towards the resistance level. However, if we're going to fail to break support number 1, which there is a chance because 2-hour time frame, it's not healthy, so we might see a further dump in the market of this support number 2, which is around 1700 level. So to recap, 1-hour and 2-hour time frame must clear the support level number 1, which is either clean breakout or retest, and then we're good to go towards our resistance zone. It will be updated accordingly. However, if we're going to fail to do so, then we will be heading towards the support level number 2, which is 1700. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.